is. I got the carbon fiber saddle on with the carbon fiber seat post, carbon fiber wheels, the new suspension block here, and the new stands. Also a new tensioner. The front hasn't changed that much. There are a few parts left to change on the bike, and this one will be complete. The obvious choices would be the THM crankset or Praxis or the Cane Creek E-Wings. So I really have to decide which ones I want. The Praxis ones seem nice because they do have it in 165mm size, and I did want to try a shorter length than the standard 170, but I'm still debating what to do there. And as far as the headset, eventually I will probably add the Chris King just to match the other Chris King on my Superlight. That does feel much smoother as well. Besides that, the brakes as well. So the brakes I am still waiting on changing. I have decided probably to go with the Cane Creek E brake. Today we are using the rear mudguard because we are running into a few puddles, and this definitely has been helpful in keeping the dirt and grime off the seat post. Alright, so we're by the Pepsi Cola sign, and yeah, it's very beautiful here. We just made a video recently on the Brompton stands, and you guys chose this one. So I listened to you guys in the comments and I put these on instead of the carbon round ones. And so far they've been working pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna head to Williamsburg area after this, check out old bookstore and hopefully grab some lunch. It's a little chest area, and they got these nice wood seats that you can sit on. A lot of glass.
In 800 feet, turn left onto 47th Road.
Yeah, I think that pigeon wasn't doing so well. Yeah, I don't know. I think one of them was sick and the other one was still trying to mate with it. Something like that.
In 800 feet, turn. In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Jackson Avenue.
Mite, これマンハッタンポテージ見て
That was pretty cool. Let's check it out.
Yeah. On the way to Williamsburg, we found this cool statue.
All right, we're gonna head over the Pulaski Bridge. Yeah, you ready?
Continue for half a mile.
Yeah, you can go in front. Let's see what how Shoko does going up the bridge. I'm in gear 1, she's in gear 1 on the 2-speed, and that should be plenty low enough to make it over these inclines. They're really not that bad, especially this bridge. All right, we just crossed the middle part of the bridge, so I'm clicking into 4th gear, and we're just gonna take it nice and slow. I'm not even gonna pedal. I'm gonna listen to the nice Hubsmith sound that it's making now. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it sounds beautiful. Yeah. Did you pedal at all?
No.
It was just nice. Did you hear the nice sound of the Hubsmith?
Yeah.
Sounds nice, right?
Very loud. It's impossible to collect the leaf here.
Yeah, exactly. You know, if the cars are parked here all the time, these leaves are gonna just decay here until they have the alternate street parking, and then they probably come sweep it up. But it looks like these leaves have been here a while, and these are the type of leaves that become very slippery over time, and you really do have to be careful.
Continue on Franklin Street for half a mile.
All right. And the best way to get around in the city is to use your Google Maps, bike maps. It really does help you find the best bike routes to get to your location safely.
I was scared, I know, downhill.
It was so fast, right? Yeah.
Shaking. I don't know if it's because the bike is light. Naturally なるんかな?
It's just the size of the tire. You always want to be careful, not go too fast, you know? There's no need to rush in the city, especially on the weekend. We like to go slow and enjoy the view.
People are happy now.
Yeah.
Hiking around.
Woohoo! Man, I almost ran that pigeon over.
3 pairs of shoes.
Oh, up there? Yeah. Oh boy. Man, these brakes do feel great. I actually like the way they feel.
Protected.
In 600 feet, continue onto Kent Avenue. In a quarter mile, turn left onto North 5th Street.
Quarter mile.
Turn right onto Bedford Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right.
Grab and go.
Your destination is on the right.
Everybody's cheering for a common goal, and everybody's having a good Seinfeld episode. You're all winners. I have the one.
All right, we made it here. Yeah, Spoonbill and Sugartown Booksellers.
Very cute. Lucky. Yeah.
Shoko wanted to check out some old books, so she's gonna go inside and I'm just gonna stay and take some pictures.
We're in the right neighborhood. It's all there.
Shoko did not find anything she liked, so we're gonna try and find a different bookstore and hopefully find something that I don't know, she wants to buy. All right, let's go. This road is very crowded, so we are gonna walk a little bit, and it is a one-way, so we can't ride down it anyway. Such a lovely day, very beautiful day. I haven't seen a COVID-19 testing in a long time. Guess they still have them around. All right, so here's the other bookstore. It's called Book Thug Nation. Here we are. All right. What did you get?
Souvenir for
Oh,
my kid.
you know, this is like an old school book. I used to read these type of books. These are pretty cool.
One of our son interested in art, so.
Cool.
And a free bookmark.
Do you want to try a different place or?
Amazon.
All right, yeah, let's go head towards the water and then maybe find something to eat. Or do you have a place you want to go eat? Excuse me, you're touching my bike.
Oh, around here it's too crowded.
Yeah, I think we'll head down there. We can even head back
Astoria no
and then eat in something. Where do you want to go?
Hot pita 行こ
Hot pizza?
う Hot pita. Pita hot. Pita hot.
Pita Hot.
Head southeast
All right.
on North 3rd Street.
It sounds like you're saying Pizza Hut. I was like, why? Yeah, so we're just gonna grab a quick lunch, and then we do have to head back afterwards. So that'll be our little adventure today.
In a quarter mile, turn left
right.
onto North 12th Street. Left onto North 12th Street.
Turn left. Yep. This is nice and easy going downhill.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Kent Avenue.
Rest of the way, really.
Yeah. I said I'm not gonna get angry today. You can't win in the city all the time. At home, I have all the parts to convert the pink bike into the 2-speed. So if you are interested, that is what is coming up next. So please like, share, and subscribe, and come back and you can see what that will be all about. Should be a nice, simple conversion. I really don't recommend people do it unless you actually have the parts. The only reason I'm doing it is because I actually do have all the parts, and I just had to buy a few parts to make the system work. And my goal is to try and make the bike a little bit faster so we can take it on more rides. It is the heaviest out of all the bikes we do have, so when we do go out for a ride, we tend not to take it with us. And the problem is Tantan likes to sit on that bike because he's more upright, so that is why we decided to upgrade it. There'll be signs that say Pulaski Bridge. Yeah. All right. So we gotta turn right, it said. I don't know. Yeah.
Continue for half a mile.
There you go. There you go. All right. All right. Back to gear 1. Nice and easy. Shoko says she's gonna try and beat the guy in front of her. Let's see if she can do it. I'm actually in gear 2 now because this is kind of easy. All right, and this ugly metal thing is the halfway mark, and it's all downhill from now. All right. Whew. Good exercise. Turn right, right.
Turn left on Queens Plaza south. In 800 feet, turn left onto 21st Street.
Maybe I should bring that 20
Turn right onto Queens Plaza north. In 1,000 feet, turn
Our second GoPro SD card is full, so we're down to 1 GoPro for now.
Getting tired. Are you?
Yeah, very tired. Because we haven't really stopped, you know, to take a break. Except at the Pepsi sign. All right. So we got 10 to go. These carbon wheels feel great. Yeah, everything feels nice and smooth. I'm really happy with the purchases and the upgrades that have been done recently. Yeah, really only a few more things to go. Long straight bike lane here. These holes aren't Brompton friendly. Look, tie fits into them. Very dangerous right here.
Your destination is on the left.
All the Pita Hot. We're here. All right, that was actually a long ride. I think it took like 30 minutes to get here. What do we got? Falafel and a shawarma?
Yes.
And I'm gonna head back to Astoria Park and have lunch there. All right, let's go.
Turn right onto Crescent Street. In 800 feet, turn left onto Newtown Avenue.
Yeah. Look at all these leaves.
Your destination is on the left.
Yes, it is summer again. You know, New York has great benches. Like, they're always comfortable.
Yes.
New York knows how to make good benches.
We're having a late lunch.
It's already 1:20, so we've been biking for 3 hours. 3 hours. Shoko doesn't like my haircut, so in about a few weeks I have to go get a haircut.
Next weekend.
I'm gonna be drinking this. This is the shawarma. Looks really good. Oh, it's good. It just tastes sour.
Oh, it's good. Refreshing. Oh,
Spicy.
falafel. Good.
Wow, my hair actually does look pretty bad. Let me put my helmet back on. It does look pretty bad. The T-line performed very well. Had no problems. It is a little bit dirty now, but the brake surface here, man, it works pretty good. The carbon brake pads and the surface, it just has a nice solid feel to it when I'm using it. So far I'm very happy with the performance of these nice wheel sets. All right, we just finished our lunch and now we're gonna head back to the car and head on home. We actually might stop by the baklava place. They actually taste really good, so it's worth it to try and get it. But thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time. All right. All right. No problems today. Okay.
Hi, may I have 1 pound mixed baklava?
Yes.
And half pound mixed cookies?
Yes.
Please.
You prefer something or give you the best?
I like this and